Hi guys, we are Chuck and Jess Adventures. Welcome to Pass Lake, Northern British Columbia.
Hey guys, it's been about a month since since we first got our brand new Lone Peak camper, and we had on that week adventure, we did spend 3 nights in it, but we've had a busy month since. But tonight will be our first night in northern BC, so let's go check it out.
Hey guys, this is our 2025 Lone Peak camper, all aluminum. It weighs about 375 pounds.
All right guys, let's pop it up. Setup's just that simple.
Hey friends. So we're inside the Lone Peak camper, and this is the bed. And the ceiling slants up and goes quite high. Chuck is about 6'2" and he can't even touch the roof when he's standing in the base of our truck.
So a real unique feature of the Lone Peak camper is, first of all, it's got this pass-through space right here, which some of the other wedge campers don't have, and then Jessica will demonstrate the other feature.
The bed lifts up to give you even more space. And so you have quite a bit of room to maneuver and use the box of your truck. Hello friends, and both the windows are nice and big and they undo completely for nice fresh air.
Well, you know what guys, it's a week later and I'm finally getting around to editing this thing, and the truth of the matter is we didn't spend the night. The bugs got a little miserable, so we packed up and we came home. But you know what, we still had a great day, a great adventure, and we're still looking forward to more adventures with our Lone Peak camper.
And you know what's going to make this even better? Drones.
You look at me like you're someone new. I'm always feeling out of touch with you. Just tell me we can do this over again, 'cause I just can't accept that this is the end. Baby, you're sorry, but it don't mean nothing to me. Forget the memories and everything we used to be. I know one day you're gonna hurt like I do too, 'cause I'll be crying if you lost me too. Ooh, one day you're gonna miss me, baby. Like I do too, 'cause I'll be crying if I lost me too. Forget my name, erase my voice in your heart. Look for another place. The best fades away, like the sun at the end of the day. Release your wings and please fly away from here. Our time ran out, like a shooting star. Flying near that, wants me to.